Paleontology, the captivating science of ancient life, has once again unveiled a spectacular discovery that deepens our understanding of the Mesozoic world. Researchers from the Natural History Museum in London have just announced the identification of a previously unknown species of dinosaur. This newly classified species, named Istiorachis macarthurae, had a striking feature that immediately captured the imagination of scientists and enthusiasts alike. Let us explore the details of this remarkable find and delve into the fascinating world of this sail-backed wonder. This newly found dinosaur is named Istiorachis macarthurae. Istiorachis macarthurae, named after British sailor Dame Ellen MacArthur, who holds the record for the fastest solo circumnavigation of the globe, boasts a dramatic sail-like structure along its back. Where was it found? The fossilized remains of Istiorachis were unearthed in sedimentary deposits along the Isle of Wight, a small island located just off the southern coast of England. This area is known as the dinosaur capital of Britain, as it has been a hotspot for paleontological discoveries for over a century. The Isle of Wight is part of a region that was once a vast plain teeming with life during the Cretaceous period. What does it mean to be an ornithischian? Ornithischians were a diverse group of mostly herbivorous dinosaurs that flourished during the Mesozoic era. They are characterized by a special type of hip socket that distinguishes them from other dinosaurs, particularly the Saurischian group, which includes theropods and sauropods. Ornithischians are known for their wide variety of forms, ranging from the iconic Stegosaurus with its plates along its back to the duck-billed dinosaurs. How did it live? Imagine a time when the Isle of Wight was not a tranquil island off the British coast, but a lush floodplain teeming with life. Picture tall conifers and ferns swaying in the breeze, while giant cycads dominated the landscape. This was the habitat of Istiorachis macarthurae, a herbivorous dinosaur that thrived around 120 million years ago during the early Cretaceous period. Envision Istiorachis as a medium-sized dinosaur, measuring approximately 7 to 8 meters in length. It likely inhabited the floodplains, marshes, and river deltas that characterized the region. Its diet consisted of the abundant vegetation, including the tough fibrous plants that grew along the water's edge. With its strong beak and powerful jaws, Istiorachis could easily crop and grind these plants, extracting every bit of nutrition they offered. As a herbivore, Istiorachis had to contend with various challenges. While the landscape was rich in vegetation, it was also home to numerous predators. Sharp-toothed carnivores roamed the land in search of prey, and the dinosaurs had to constantly be on the lookout. In times of danger, Istiorachis could rely on its sturdy legs to run swiftly across the open ground, or perhaps use its tail for balance as it galloped away from danger. Alternatively, it could seek refuge among the dense undergrowth, hoping to camouflage itself from prying eyes. One of the most intriguing aspects of Istiorachis is its striking appearance. Along its spine ran a dramatic sail-like structure composed of elongated neural spines. This sail was truly a sight to behold, towering above its back and catching the wind as it moved. But what purpose did this serve? Scientists believe it may have played a role in display and communication, helping individuals attract mates or establish dominance. Additionally, the sail could have aided in thermoregulation, absorbing heat and releasing it slowly, allowing Istiorachis to maintain a stable body temperature. Finally, let's consider the social behavior of Istiorachis. As a herbivore living in a predator-filled environment, it's likely that the dinosaurs traveled and foraged in groups. Picture herds of Istiorachis moving through the landscape, their sails creating a mesmerizing sight against the backdrop of prehistoric plants. Within these groups, there may have been hierarchies and social interactions, with dominant individuals leading the way and subordinates following closely behind. Life for Istiorachis was not easy, but their adaptability and resilience ensured their survival for over 1 million years. Their fossils now provide us with a glimpse into a world long gone, allowing us to marvel at the beauty and wonder of the prehistoric past. Why is it important? The discovery of Istiorachis macarthurae adds a new chapter to our understanding of the biodiversity that existed on the Isle of Wight during the Cretaceous period. It provides valuable insights into the evolution and adaptation of ornithischian dinosaurs. The presence of Istiorachis also highlights the dynamic nature of ecosystems throughout history. The floodplain environment that existed on the Isle of Wight during the Cretaceous was a thriving ecosystem supporting a wide variety of plant and animal life. The discovery of Istiorachis helps us reconstruct this ancient environment and better understand the interactions between organisms and their surroundings. What makes it unique? What sets Istiorachis apart from other ornithischians is its distinctive sail-like structure. This elongated neural spine running down its back is a unique characteristic that helps differentiate it from other species. The size and shape of the sail, along with other anatomical features, provide clues about its evolutionary history and adaptations. Istiorachis represents an exciting addition to the diverse array of dinosaurs that have been discovered on the Isle of Wight. Its presence contributes to the scientific significance of the region as a key area for understanding the evolution of life on Earth. How was it named? The dinosaur is named Istiorachis macarthurae in honor of Dame Ellen MacArthur, a renowned British sailor known for her record-breaking solo circumnavigation of the globe. The name Istiorachis refers to the sail-like structure of the dinosaur, while MacArthur pays tribute to the adventurous spirit of the famous sailor. The choice of name reflects the connection between the discovery and the world of exploration. What's next for the fossil? The fossil of Istiorachis macarthurae is expected to be further studied and analyzed by paleontologists at the Natural History Museum in London. Researchers will continue to investigate its anatomy, including the unique sail-like structure, to gain a deeper understanding of its evolution and adaptations. The fossil will be curated and potentially displayed in exhibitions, allowing the public to appreciate the incredible diversity of prehistoric life. Any related discoveries? The discovery of Istiorachis comes amidst a series of fascinating finds on the Isle of Wight. The island has yielded a wealth of dinosaur fossils, including species like Iguanodon and Manilisaurus. The recent discovery of a relative of Ankylosaurus in the same area adds to the growing collection of Cretaceous fossils from the region. These discoveries highlight the Isle of Wight as a significant site for understanding the evolution and distribution of dinosaurs during the Cretaceous period. Istiorachis macarthurae, the newly identified dinosaur with a remarkable sail-like structure, offers a captivating glimpse into the wonders of the prehistoric world. Its discovery on the Isle of Wight adds to our knowledge of ancient ecosystems and the incredible diversity of life that once thrived on Earth. As paleontologists continue to unravel the mysteries of Istiorachis, we can anticipate further insights into the evolution and adaptations of this fascinating creature. The study of dinosaurs never ceases to amaze, and Istiorachis stands as a testament to the beauty and wonder of the prehistoric past. Each new discovery brings us closer to understanding the history of life on our planet, reminding us of the incredible journey of evolution that has shaped our world today. So let us continue to explore, discover, and marvel at the wonders that await us in the realm of paleontology. Thank you for joining us on this journey through time as we uncover the secrets of Istiorachis macarthurae. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to stay updated on all our latest discoveries. Together, let's keep exploring the fascinating world of dinosaurs and the ancient past.